Don't go behind them, Dallas.
Beautiful. His hair is like black, and then white, and then turns brown.
Beautiful, right?
I want to ride this one. Nice. I want to ride this one.
Yeah, you're gorgeous.
Oh, I'm sorry. Is he ready for Brendan? Not at all. Yeah. Okay. All right, come on. Here we go.
Oh my God! This one is so cute.
I want to see this.
Oh my God!
Oh, he's so soft.
Hi, baby.
You're little one.
It's probably a pony.
The real little one. It's Yasa size, right? It likes Yasa. It wants to eat your clothes.
I guess you do. Jorge. Oh God.
So cute.
Oh my God, it's so cute! It's so cute.
Oh, sorry, honey.
No, I don't like that.
How cute. They're really nice.
Let me feel you. You're so cute.
Good boy.
Who doesn't like a baby goat? Oh my goodness. Look at this one. Hi, baby. You like whatever you munching on?
Oh, it's so soft. Oh, it's so soft. No, we need to get out. Oh my God, there's dogs here.
You're so soft. Oh my goodness. Look at mommy.
Look at mommy.
Look! Hi, Bunny! Hi! It's so good! Wow! Why did I let
Try to get the little chicken. Aw, how cute, Dallas. Hey, baby, let me see your face. Where's your face? I can't see your face.
It feels so scaly! It feels so scaly! I just want to squeeze it! It's so cute!
So soft.
Yeah, I want to squeeze it! It's so cute!
Soft you are.
I love it! Bobby's not a baby piggy!
Carefully.
It's so cute! Hear it!
I know, I hear it. It's like tweet, tweet, tweet.
Oh, here it is! Here's the face!
Yeah. Hey, baby. Oh, Dallas, be careful with how you're holding it.
God!
It scratched you?
Yeah! Where is the bunny?
Feel these ducks. They feel so good.
Where is a bunny?
The bunnies are over here. Bunnies are right there.
No, so still.
Ready?
That's a pet one. It's so cute.
You pick it up?
Oh, this guy wants to get out.
Oh, look at him. I'm gonna pick up a bunny. No. I'm gonna pick up a bunny. Can we have a bunny? Oi, give me a pen.
Dallas, did you see the baby black goat?
Man, feel this. It's so warm.
Wow. Hi, baby. You like this? You like that? I think you like that. You are a cutie. Goodness.
Look at the piggy! Oh, look at the piggy! The Get the piggy! Get it! Get the piggy! Mama, can I pick up the piggy?
No, she just said no.
Okay.
You need to listen, right? Honey, just pet it, okay? Let me touch it. Let me touch you. Let me touch. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You can't carry it, honey. Can't carry it. Lady just said it. Here, right, Dallas?
I want to pick up another toy. Go, buddy!
So cute. Daddy, we could have bought one.
I know. That is touching.
Would you have gotten one?
Maybe. I was thinking about it.
Oh my god, I would have died.
I
You know
was
that would have
thinking
been the best.
$50.
So what are you gonna name it?
I don't know. I got it from my sister.
This is like the best pet ever.
That's what they say.
Yeah,
When,
they're
when
smarter
I
than
have
dogs.
one, I'm gonna name it Pinky.
They said that they were gonna get 2 other ones right now.
Really?
Yeah, some boy and a girl.
Oh, maybe there's a chance.
Oh my god, I'm on the hook. I want it, me.
Okay, so now he's ready. Let him eat, mama. So hold the rein, All right, so let's go.
You gotta just pull them.
Oh, let's pull this one. But he wants to eat, Let him eat. He's hungry. Let him eat, he's hungry. Oh, you gotta hold the rein.
He's like, I'm done. He's like, I'm done.
Come on, buddy.
You gotta show him, Dallas.
Come on, buddy. Jerry goes back to One more time.
You guys were selling pigs earlier, huh?
Yeah.
Like,
Yes, we were.
we were trying to talk Daddy into getting one.
Well, if we would have known, we actually have 2 more back at the ranch. We could have brought them with us.
Oh, okay.
So we only brought 2 with us because we didn't know how they would sell.
Yeah,
And
that's
both
wonderful.
of them did. So
There's 2 more left at
2
their
more at the ranch. Yep,
their
down
ranch.
at our home property. 1 male, 1 female.
Oh, how cute. It happens, Dallas. If you were an animal, you would do the same thing. Yeah, behind them, Dallas. Oh no, he's wrapped up in his cord. Yeah, buddy. Come this way.
The horse is back.
Yes.
He was neighing not too long ago. Okay, back. Oh. Why?
He's upset that that cord is right in between his legs. Look, you look, he's getting him free. Look,
Oh, it's pregnant.
he's got, which one?
The white bunny, that's why it was in the cage.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
Because so nobody can pick it up.
Yeah, because
Like-
then you would hurt the baby.
It's
There we
like-
go, we're free. Watch his hind legs, Dallas, okay? He might kick out, okay?
What?
Such a cute baby.
Well, why was he
Oh, ghost.
There's the other rabbit there.
careful? Can I say
There's another kid on the bench truck.
Put them up now, okay?
that?
Say bye. Thank you so much.
Oh, 'cause this bunny doesn't bite anyone like really. It gets locked up in the cage because it's pregnant, and it locked up in the cage because later on we got to pick them up, but now we can't. So that's why it's in the cage before.
And why is it in the cage?
It's pregnant.
Pregnant, yes. And we wouldn't want the babies to get upset.